suspected of illegally selling high-caliber firearms online has been arrested. The meetup took place in a parking lot near EDSA, Pasay City. He did not know the people he was transacting with were undercover police officers. He even opened the car's compartment to show the firearms he was selling. The suspect appeared nervous, frequently looking behind him and scanning the surroundings. When he realized something was off, the police moved in to arrest him. He struggled and attempted to resist.
Nung nagkaroon na ng transaction, kukunin na yung baril, nakahalata yung suspect natin, biglang sinara at nagkaroon ng komosyon. Yung isang kasama niya, biglang tinakbo yung Mazda sedan, kung saan nandun yung sniper's rifle. Naiwan yung suspect.
According to operatives from the 3rd Special Operations Unit of the PNP Maritime Group, the suspect offered to sell a sniper rifle for 1.2 million pesos. Based on the type of firearm he had and his mannerisms, authorities immediately suspected he was not a civilian. When the suspect was finally arrested, it was confirmed that he is an active member of the Philippine Air Force. With the 2025 election campaign period underway, the illegal sale of high-powered firearms poses a serious threat. The PNP warned that if these weapons fall into the wrong hands, they could be used for politically motivated crimes.
Mga gun stores, yun ang punta ba pwede tayong bumili. Pero pag mga ganitong klase na transaction online, malamang walang mga papel yan. Delikado po yun kasi high-powered na firearm po yun. Kahit isang bala lang, pwede na nating ikamatay yun. Lalo ngayon mga eleksyon, pwedeng gamitin yun ng mga masasama para pang-snipe ng mga kalaban nila sa politiko.
This is why the PNP Maritime Group has decided to expand its operations from patrolling municipal waters to cracking down on loose firearms.
In the event that these loose firearms, itong mga kontraband na to, will be negated or matatanggal sa society or circulation, then definitely lesser yung chances na magagamit sa crime kasi confiscated na natin to.
The arrested Philippine Air Force personnel will face charges for violating the comprehensive law on firearms and ammunition.